ALEKO's gate opener, the AC1500 kit, will include one gate opening unit, one mounting base, 20 feet of chain, 2 remotes, installation instructions, and hardware. The AC1500 can support gates weighing up to 1,500 pounds or 35 feet in length. The single-phase 3/4 horsepower motor has an operating time of 44 seconds and includes an auto-close feature. 2 remotes are included into the kit, but the AC1500 can support up to 6. The kit also includes 20 feet of chain, a mounting base, and all the required hardware and instructions needed for installation. A built-in manual key release is also installed in the motor in case of power loss.